Hello everyone, it's Kendall here. If you're new around here, welcome. If you're not new around here, what is up, home skillet? Let's get. So I'm coming to you with a classic beat, a little wing, a little red lip with a little twist on it, like the kids do. This video is graciously sponsored by Sephora Collection. Shout out to Sephora Collection. I'm going to be featuring the Sephora Collection I Love palettes. These came out recently and they're so bomb and easy to carry. And they got a mirror, efficiency, and they're really good quality, so I'm going to be using it in today's video. So if you guys want to see how I got here, continue to watch the video. Okay, see you there. It'll be great. There are 6 new palettes in total, each of which is $14 and holds 7 shades. There's always a good mixture of mattes and shimmers in each of the palettes, so you can pick one and create an entire look with just that one palette. The packaging is really nice and slim, so I'm able to carry it along with me. Easy to store away, and I really appreciate that. So today I'm going to be using the medium cool tone palette, going in with the all over beige shade just on the lid, and then using a little bit of the second darkest shade in the crease. I'm just going to gently build that up. I didn't want to put too much at a time because I wanted it to be like a soft gradient, soft gradation. Because I use the cream shade at the bottom, it'll really help with the blending endeavor. Going in with the second darkest shade, and I'm taking a smaller brush and going more directly into the crease to define that area and make it pop out a little bit more. Take your time, build it up gently so that you don't have like a blotch of color and it's harder to blend out. I'm going to connect it with the outer corner and then going in with those 2 darkest shades to do the final deepening so that we have a really smooth and really smooth crease. Yes. I'm good with words. Going in with the light champagne color and using that in the inner tear duct to brighten it up, and a little bit on the inner third of the eyelid, and a little bit on the very center of the mobile lid. Don't forget the brow bone, because it gives you that sexy side profile. Next up, I'm going to be using the Sephora Collection Brush Tip Liquid Liner, and I'm going to give myself just a good old classic wing, not too big. So I'm just doing a cute little modest wing, little daytime appropriate wing, day and nighttime appropriate wing. And then we're going to apply a little bit of mascara. This is the Sephora Collection Lash Craft Mascara. Just going to go in really quickly and pop on 2 coats of this. Guess what's done? This part of the eyes. Tea break. Now we're going in with the face. This is the Mercier Hydrating Primer. Not too much. Along the nose in areas that get a little dry. Then going in with one of my new favorite foundations, which is the Mercier Flawless Luminaire Radiance Perfecting Foundation. Good God, that's a long title. In 4C1 Praline. The foundation that did the impossible and matched me perfectly. I still can't get over it. Oh my God. So I'm just going to blend that out thinly across the face and evenly. Get it in my hairline because it's a necessity. Apply a little more if you think in certain areas you need more coverage. But this is just a really nice foundation. Highly recommend. Highly recommend. Next, going in with the Kaja Don't Settle Concealer in number 8 on the inner part of my face. It gives like a nice subtle brightness. While that sits and cooks on my face, I'm going to go in with the Fenty bronzer in Island Ting and warm up the perimeter of my face. I decided to forgo all forms of like contour. This is just going to warm up the face a little bit and give a little bit of structure. Now that our concealer is sufficiently cooked, I'm going to go in and pounce that out. Again, really nice concealer. Highly recommend if you guys are looking for a new one. Going in with the same bronzer and just using that as contour on my nose, because why not? I'm going to go really heavy with the bronzer under my lip because it's going to help frame the lip products we use later. Going in with the Fenty Loose Powder in Banana. There's a lot of Fenty in this video. That wasn't on purpose. I'm going to put that under the eyes. And going back into the Eye Love palette and taking the medium brown and putting that under the eye to just tie the whole eye look together. Don't forget lower bottom mascara, lower lash. I'm going to get the right words. Hold on. Lower lash mascara. Got it. Going in with Laura Mercier's blush in Peach. It's just a really nice gold shimmery peachy blush. Really nice and natural looking. Fenty again. Hustler Baby highlighter. Because we got to give it that sexy from the side. Want them to see you as you walk by and say, oh, what water does she drink? The water of the heavens? She's glowing. What secret does she know? What stories can she tell? I'm curious. Don't forget the nose and the nostrils. I haven't been doing this recently and it felt like I was a new person. A worse person than the person I could have been. I'm going to set it with the Sephora Collection setting spray. Don't open your mouth. Bad idea. Now, going in with two lip products. This is the Sephora Rouge lipstick. It's a really nice, malleable, moisturizing lipstick. And I'm just going to apply that to the center of my mouth and then blend out the edges with my fingers. And then I'm going to use a little bit of the residual foundation on my sponge to just clean up the sides. Then I'm going in with this lip cream, which is a darker red color, and using it to define my lips. I'm putting it on my cupid's bow, on the inner part of my lips, on the tail corners of my lips to like put them up a little bit under my lips. I'm kind of using it to define the entire lip shape so that it looks more kissable and plumpable. And yes, the wonders of makeup. Feel free to use your fingers, use a brush, anything that makes it blend in a little better, because if you're not careful, you might look a little bit clowny. And I mean, that's a look too, but not the look I was going for. And here you have it. This is it. Serving you face a million. And that's it. That's the look. Period. I don't know. I don't know why I did that. That's it. That's how we got here. If you want to check out the Eye Love palettes, those will be down in the description box. Again, big thanks to Sephora Collection for sponsoring today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on all my social media, Instagram and Twitter, both of which are KennieJD. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.